Fix Cash App won't let me add paper money. Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. So if your Cash application is acting up, here's what you can do to fix it. First of all, check for this application update. Tap onto Play Store. Here search for Cash App. And make sure that you see Open instead of Update. If you see Update by any chance, tap onto Update and update your app. Once done, head over to your settings. Scroll below until you see the option of Apps. Then here again, search for Cash App. Go below onto Storage and then clear the cache. Also clear this application's data, but before doing so, be noted if you delete this application's data, it will delete all of your saved credentials and your login history. If you would still like to continue, then tap Delete. Now come back, then tap on Force Stop on your bottom right corner. Tap OK. Once you do also, restart your device and then get back to your Cash app, log into your account, and just like so, this is how you can fix your problem. So that is all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then please like and subscribe.